Good morning everyone, how are you today? For me, I'm very good today. And today, we would like to continue our lesson from yesterday is Grammar Planet 1, right? Okay, so now, before we continue the lesson, I would like to review the lesson that we already learned yesterday. So what did we learn yesterday? Very good, we was learning about the information question. Okay, the information question. So what were we talking about in the information question? We're talking about what? Right? We're talking about what? Okay. So one more question. I would like to ask you that how many points that I explained you yesterday we have? This is one more. That is, and one more is this. These are. Okay. So now look at here. This is, that is, and these are. So this is. When do we use this is? We use this is for only one thing, or we can say singular. And how about that is? The same with this is. And how about these are? We're talking about more than one thing, or we can say plural, right? Okay, plural. Okay, now we are continuing the same unit in unit 9. What are they? The grammar, we're talking about the information question. What? Talking about what? Okay. Okay, so now I would like to tell you that the information question here, we are talking about WA question, right? WA question. Or you can say that we have W8 words. So how many W8 words do we have? How many? We have 7, right? So what are they? Can you tell me? The first one is what? Where? When? Why? Who? Whose? That's all. And one more is whom, isn't it? Okay, but we have one more thing that we also add in the WA words. So what is that? Is how. So we have WA words. We have 7 WA words. The first one is what, where, when, why, who, whose, and the last one is whom. But we also add how in WA words also, right? The special one. Okay, but we have in this lesson we are talking about what only. So the other, skip it. Don't touch it. Don't think about it. Think only about what only. So I ask you, why do we use what? How do we use what? We use what? For what? Okay. We use what for the specific information, right? Specific information. It means that you want to know about that. like that. Example. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? What is your favorite color? Right? So here, what here? Talking about for the specific information. So what is your name? My name is Liep Heng. It means that you want to know about the person, the name of that person. What is your favorite color? It means that you want to know the favorite of the favorite color of someone else, like that. Okay, so we are finished in this lesson, but before we end the lesson, I have one exercise for you. Okay, so now please open your book on page 42, because yesterday we already finished page 41. So now let's move on to page 42. Okay, I know that you guys have book, so I no need to show you the picture like this. I will do like this and read by myself, and you also read by yourself. Understand? Okay, so now section C, look, march and circle. Now we have 4 pictures. Okay, we have 4 pictures. I show you the picture is much better. Okay, we have 4 pictures, and then the first thing we have to match the picture to the sentence, and then we circle the correct question, right? Okay, the correct answer. So number 1 is already done for you. What are they? They are rocks. So the picture is picture C. Now let's move on to number 2. What is it? So we need to answer it. It is. Okay, this point is very important. Example, they ask you, what is it? You need to make question like this, WH word. Okay, WH word plus to be and plus subject with the question mark. This is the form of information question of the lesson that we need to learn today. Okay, so how to answer? You need to put the subject first. So it, and then you need to add be. It is blah blah blah. Okay, it is my book. It is my pen, something like that. So now move on to our exercise. What is it? Number 2, what is it? So we need to answer it is or they are. Very good, it is. It is a river. Okay, number 3, what are they? So again, WH word, to be and subject. So we need to answer. Very good, they are clouds. Oh wait, move back to number 2 again. I forgot to match the picture for you. So number 2, it is a river. So which one is the picture of the river? So picture A. Very good. And how about number 3? Which picture? Picture B. And the last one, number 4. What is it or what are they? The answer is called they are. So which one is the correct answer? Is it or are they? Must be. Very good. Must be are they. What are they? So the answer is they are birds. So the picture is picture D. Very good. Section D, look and circle. Okay, so number 1 is already done for you. What is it? It is a doll. So number 2, look together. We have one thing or more than one thing. The picture is more than one thing. So we need to ask what Is or are? Very good. What are they? Okay. And the answer will be they are cars. Number 3, what is it? Very good. What is it? It is a ball. Number 4, look at the picture. Singular or plural? Should be singular. Are you sure? Singular? No, right? Because the answer they said they are, so the question must be are they? So what are they? So the answer, they are robots. Okay. Now I would like to add one more thing for you. Yesterday we talking about these are, right? So now we are talking about those are. Okay, those are. Okay, those are, we use it for plural. So do we need add s or not? We must add s. Example, those are her books. See, we need to add s. Why we need to add s? Because they are is plural, right? And those are is near or far? Very good. It must be far. So the books are far from her. So those are her books, right? Okay, so how about to make it to the negative? We just add not here, right? So those are not her books. How about question? In general question, we need to add, we bring are to put in front of those, right? So are those her books? Okay, how to answer? Yes, those are, and no, those are not, right? Okay, WA question, how to make it? What are those? You are so clever. What are those? See how to make question in WA. So what are those? Okay, what? WA again. Okay, so now we have finished our lesson, but before we finish the lesson, I would like to summarize the lesson again, what we have learned today. So the first one we are talking about, this is, that is, these are, right? So this is and that is, we are talking about something that near from us and are singular. These are is plural, and we talking about something that is far from us. Those are is plural, that something is far from us. And one more thing, we're talking about the WA question. How many WA question? We can say 7 or we can say 8 because of the how. So what are they? Can you tell me what are they? They are what, why, when, who, whose, whom, and one more, what else? Why. Okay, so you can review the lesson and don't forget to do the exercise or your homework that your homeroom teacher give you after the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video and thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck.